Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we will explore Rocket Lab USA in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and we are now here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of August 9th, 2024, our system has identified Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 275.79% since we first categorized Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate 73 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.78% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is likely to occur. A breakout above the upper trend line at $20.68 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 121% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 44.3% and 126.44%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 54.18% over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 48.76% and 56.85%. This translates to a price range of $10.34 to $31.65 after a year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA features the headline, Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock downgraded to buy candidate. The stock price for Rocket Lab USA Inc. decreased by 1.56% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, moving from $20.50 to $20.18. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.7%, ranging from a low of $19.64 to a high of $20.76. Notably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 54.64% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day, coinciding with the drop in stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should align with price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 11 million shares, totaling 17 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $344,015,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $22.55, while the lowest was $3.47. Currently, the price stands 10.51%, or $2.37, below the 52-week high of $22.55, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab stock is experiencing significant momentum, driven by a blend of solid earnings and broader market trends in the aerospace sector. Following a strong quarterly report and positive updates on new product lines, shares surged by over 40% last week. This robust performance has also been fueled by heightened investor interest in space stocks, often referred to as the Trump-Elon trade, which has seen several companies in the sector post notable gains. In particular, Rocket Lab's decision to raise prices on its services indicates confidence in its market position and ability to maintain profitability amidst intensifying competition. The company's CEO highlighted promising growth in both Electron launches and its expanding space systems segment, reinforcing a long-term vision focused on profitability and industry leadership. While the stock has seen fluctuations, such as recent declines despite strong earnings, the underlying fundamentals suggest that Rocket Lab is well-positioned for ongoing growth. In the short term, investor sentiment may remain volatile as the market adjusts to new information, but the long-term outlook appears bright. Investors are likely to keep a watchful eye on upcoming product launches and continued earnings reports, which could further drive stock performance. The combination of a solid business model and a growing demand for space services positions Rocket Lab for potential appreciation in its stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BIG assigned RKLB a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, KeyBank again assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, JMP Securities assigned RKLB a market perform rating with an initialized recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, Citigroup assigned RKLB a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. The stock of Rocket Lab USA Inc. indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels are present at $18.55 and $12.52. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 19, 2024, with the stock having fallen 1.56% since then. Continued declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 76 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 52 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 125 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 119 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19 and $18.83. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support. In the case of Rocket Lab USA Inc., support is situated just below today's level at $19. If this breaks, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $18.83 and $17.36. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.12 between its high and low, which translates to 5.70%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 11.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. While even established firms can face downturns due to external factors, a series of negative PE ratios could suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of negative 11 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. If the stock trends upward, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab USA is at $20.50. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a purchase. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a suitable point to think about swing trading. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA has its first support level at $19. Should this support level remain intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of November, 2024, Akko Matthew executed an insider sale of 1,421,785 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Akko Matthew executed another insider sale of 2,392,001 shares of common stock. On the 14th of November, 2024, Akko Matthew also sold 578,215 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Akko Matthew conducted a sale of 973,192 shares of common stock. On the 19th of September, 2024, Possenried Kenneth R. made an insider purchase of 23,421 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 88.796. In summary, insiders acquired 7,274,701 shares and disposed of 116,418,055 shares over the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.39, reflecting a decline of 3.89%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, further amplifying this risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, November 21st, we anticipate that Rocket Lab USA will open at a slight increase of 0.0133 and begin trading at $20.19. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.